Welcome to the ultimate affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners in 2024. In this comprehensive 7-step guide, you'll learn how to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey and potentially earn $75,000 per month, just like many successful affiliates. Step 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You get paid for every sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Step 2. Choosing your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and audience's needs. This ensures you're passionate about the products you promote, making it easier to create valuable content. Step 3. Researching affiliate programs. Explore various affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Look for reputable companies offering high-quality products, competitive commissions, and excellent support for affiliates. Step 4. Building your platform. Create a platform to promote affiliate products. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or a combination of these. Focus on providing valuable content and building trust with your audience. Step 5. Creating high-quality content. Produce engaging content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring transparency and relevance. Step 6. Driving traffic to your offers. Utilize various traffic generation strategies such as SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Experiment with different tactics to find what works best for your audience. Step 7. Optimizing and scaling. Analyze your performance regularly to identify what's working and what's not. Optimize your strategies based on data-driven insights and scale up your efforts as you gain momentum. Success is within reach. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, dedication, and continuous learning. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve remarkable results. So, are you ready to embark on your affiliate marketing journey and turn your passion into profits? Follow this 7-step guide, put in the effort, and who knows? You could be the next affiliate earning $75,000 per month.